You have a bunch of phones over here and you don't even know what to do with them. Whoa. Because let's be honest, your older phones are more likely to be worthless unless you're a phone collector. Yeah, I cannot play Roblox on any of these phones. So I have a bunch of phones, as you can see over here, that I'm willing to convert them into cameras and put them all around my house and make my house a security tower and to detect whether you're gonna come into my house. Alfred allows you to convert multiple phones into security cameras and put them around your house. Most importantly, it has a feature that allows for auto detection, so when something moves, then it will start recording and then you can see this live. I've got the Samsung Galaxy S4, the iPhone SE, the Samsung Galaxy S7 and the iPhone XR that was released in 2018. All of them nearly useless for daily use. And the great thing is Alfred works on these phones because it only requires iOS 12 and up or at least Android 5.0 and up. Go on the App Store or Google Play Store and download Alfred. Then launch the app, create an account, and then you should go to this screen right here. Here is where you'll see all the cameras, and make sure that on the top it says viewer because this phone will be the hub. And in my case, I'll use the iPhone XR as the hub because my iPhone 17 is recording and my iPhone 12 mini is also recording on the top. Then go on each of your forgotten phones and download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then grab the viewer and go on where it says add camera. Then choose mobile device and press or pair up with by QR code. Grab the other phone and then put it on the top and then just follow the instructions. And right now you can see on the camera on the top, if I go and press on the camera, I can see live what's going on. And as you can see, this is the other phone. I'm moving around and I can even do like a selfie, whatever you call this. If you wonder what to do, well, just grab a bunch of phones, connect them to it, and then put them around your house and enjoy watching your neighbor throwing out the rubbish. The great thing about Alfred is that it can detect options and send you notifications. For example, I've got the camera right here, so if I put my hand on top of it, as you can see, it will send me a notification that there is motion detected. However, there is a very important limitation, actually two limitations, that Alfred allows you to connect only up to 2 cameras for free. If you want to add more cameras, then you'll have to put your hands into your pocket. And another one is that if you press the notification, as we saw earlier, it will ask you to pay to see the event. And that's not something that we want. But for those who know me well, I always try to find the free solutions for anything I do, and of course share it with you guys. So I did this again. Luckily, I found an app that allows you to connect as many phones as possible without any limitations, and completely for free. So back on your phone, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and find an app called Presence. For some obscure reason, the app is not on the Google Play Store. But hey, what can you do? It's Android, things are a bit more open, so you can go on the internet, search for Presence, camera, video, security, or whichever order you want to put that, and download the APK. Don't worry, it's safe, just make sure that you install it and then create an account. And then repeat that with all of your gibberish phones, as long as the App Store works, because for some of my oldest iPhones, the App Store doesn't work because Apple just being Apple. But for all the Android phones, yes, it will work. And once you download it on all of your phones, as you can see over here, then you should go to that screen. As you can see, you will see some issues such as that your internet connection is blocked and stuff like this. Just press on OK, nothing to be scared of. That app works with Bluetooth, so whenever you log in and then you are on the app, it should show up over here on the list. To activate them, you have to press on your phone on the bottom of the list and then it should start loading. So as you can see here, we can change the switch, we can flip it off or on if we want to keep the camera. We do the same thing with all the other phones. For example, with this one, yeah, I know, the internet is blocked. And then same thing with the Galaxy S4. All right, now you can go on and do this with all of your gibberish phones. And the good thing with Presence is that it requires minimum iOS 8.0 and minimum Android 4.0 to be installed. Unfortunately, I couldn't install it on my Sony Xperia L, even though it has Android 4.1 installed. I had to install it on my SD card because it's not available on the Google Play Store and I cannot connect to the internet. So yeah, but it will work if you have more patience than I have to put it on your SD card and then put it on your phone. With Presence, keep in mind that you cannot see what's going on live in the cameras, just like Alfred. However, if it captures detection, then it's gonna upload it to the cloud and you'll be able to see it. So we can grab my iPhone SE and just wave it around and put it down, and then go over to the pictures. You'll see that there's something going on over here, and we can press on that and you'll be able to see it, me waving the phone. Keep in mind that there is a limitation of 600 megabytes on how much video you can store, so do make sure that you delete the video if you don't need this for any longer. Oh, and when you put your phone in front of the window or in the ceiling or wherever you put it, make sure it's plugged in. Because we all know what happens with old phones. Battery dies within seconds. But just ensure that your phone doesn't overheat because it may explode. I'm just kidding, it's not gonna explode. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe.